Hello, teacher. I'm Karen Carrillo, and I'm gonna talk about cosmetics production. Have you ever wondered how your everyday shampoo, lipstick, or face cream is made? Not just the ingredients, but the entire production line behind it. Welcome to our deep into the cosmetics and personal care industry. Let's start with how production has evolved. A century ago, making cosmetics was a slow manual craft. Workers mix small batches by hand, pour liquids into bottles one by one, and label each product manually. Hygiene was inconsistent and efficiency was low. Then came the 20th century industry's boom. Machines took over mixing, filling, and packaging. By the 1960s, assembly lines could produce thousands of units per hour. But the real revolution happened in the last 20 years. Automation with robotic arms, conveyor sensors, and automated check weighers reduced human error to near zero. Digital tools like MS, manufacturing execution systems, now track every drop of raw material in real time. Today, AI even predicts when a machine needs maintenance before it breaks down. Now, how does a raw ingredient turn into a finished cream or lipstick? Let's follow the production chain from raw material to your bathroom shelf. Step 1: Raw material reception and quality control. Everything starts with ingredients: oils, emulsifiers, preservatives, fragrances, pigments. When they arrive at the factory, each batch is tested for purity and identity. If it fails, it never enters the line. Step 2: Weighing and mixing. This is the heart of the process. Using computerized dispensing systems, workers or robots weigh each ingredient precisely, sometimes to 0.01 grams for a lotion. The oil phase and water phase are heated separately, then combined under high speed mixing to create an emulsion. Step 3: Homogenization and derivation. The mixture passes through a homogenizer. Think of it as a super high speed blender to break down particles into a smooth, stable cream. Then a vacuum removes air bubbles so the product looks perfect. Step 4: Filling and packaging. Now the bulk products moves to cell pipes to filling machines. Empty bottles, tubes, or jars come in sterilized trays. A rotary filler injects the exact amount into each container, then copying, labeling, and cartooning happen automatically, often at 200 units per minute. Step 5: Final quality assurance and shipping. Before leaving, random samples are checked for pH, viscosity, microbial content, and appearance. Only when everything passes are the finished products packed onto pallets and shipped to warehouses or stores. So, what's my takeaway after studying this process? Three things stand out. First, precision is everything. A single one of wrong ingredient can ruin an entire batch, costing thousands of dollars. That's why automation. Second, digital traceability is now a non-negotiable standard. Modern lines use barcodes and load sensors to track every batch from raw material to retail. If a customer has a reaction, the company can trace back to the exact minute of production. That's accountability. And third, something that surprised me, the human role hasn't disappeared. Even in fully automated factories, people are still essential. Monitoring streams, troubleshooting, and performing sensory checks like smell and texture that no machine can fully replicate. What I learned from this activity, I assume cosmetics were made like any other consumer good, simple, fast, cheap, but the reality is closer to pharmaceutical manufacturing, hygiene protocols, clean rooms, and rigorous testing are standard. It made me respect how much engineering and care goes into a $10 lipstick. So next time you apply moisturizer or mascara, remember behind that small container is a global high-tech, highly controlled production line that has evolved from hand mixing to AI-driven precision. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, share it with someone who loves beauty or manufacturing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.